Film it now. Here comes Rigby.
Out for you, doesn't it? Yeah, you know. Put you down. You gotta be nice though, okay?
You put her down and see if she'll do it again?
No, I'm just putting her down. I'll give her a treat now that she sat down nice. Here, let's get them jumping. Come here, booger. She's really good at it. Chicken tricks. There you go. You got my finger, stupid. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh, Jenny. Jenny's so shy. There you go.
Did Rigby take that?
No. Jenny got it. Come here, Shelly. You didn't get one yet. Oh, you lost it. Oh. You want to do it, Nugget? Oh. Come on, booger. Nugget, you haven't jumped. Maybe you're not good at it? Oh, Rigby got it. Oh, you stole it. I was giving it to Jenny. And this one always figures out that to look for the other hand. Okay, calm down.
Go try to pick up Rigby again. I'm closer. Maybe my eyes hadn't adjusted correctly because I had when Rigby did her.
You didn't get it well?
No, I got it. She squatted, and I don't know if there was a glare on the camera, or maybe my eyes hadn't adjusted correctly.
She's up for it right now. She's like, no, you just grabbed me. Booger is so fast that
she's so fast, and
she's the reason that she's the biggest.
And she looks the chubbiest.
She gets all the treats. There you go, Jenny. Oh, Jenny always loses hers. She's got like a retarded beak. Do you have a defective beak? Oh, don't touch. All right, let's go full laundry.